Former President Donald Trump was reportedly recorded pressuring canvassers in Michigan not to certify the 2020 election results. The Detroit News obtained recordings of a November 2020 phone call with then-President Trump and two Republican canvassers in Wayne County. He told them, quote, "We can't let these people take our country away from us." Republican National Committee Chairwoman Ronna McDaniel was also on that call. CBS News campaign reporter Katrina Kaufman joins us now. Katrina, you're also an attorney, and there are questions about whether these recordings could bring additional legal jeopardy to the former president. I want to note, though, that the Trump campaign said in a statement, quote, "All of President Trump's actions were taken in furtherance of his duty as president of the United States to faithfully take care of the laws and ensure election integrity." Katrina, is that a strong defense to what's in these recordings?
To me, it's really not. The president doesn't have a role in overseeing the election. That's really something that the state is supposed to do. So it just really doesn't seem like a credible defense for Trump here. And it could also be argued that he might have violated bribery laws in Michigan. He offered legal attorneys to these canvassers, and that could violate the Michigan bribery law. So he could be in legal trouble in Michigan. And then also this could be very important evidence for Jack Smith in his federal election interference
case. That's
case.
what I wanted to ask you about, because Jack Smith continues to work on that federal election case, the special counsel. What impact, how will this play into Smith's narrative?
It's an important question. I mean, I think this could be really powerful evidence of intent, because with these criminal charges, you have to prove both that he intended to commit the act, that there was mens rea there, and that he did commit the act. So really, this could play into Jack Smith's case in a very important way. I mean, you could draw a parallel to Nixon. In that case, the tapes of Nixon were a smoking gun.
Does this feel like a smoking gun, these words? We can't let them take the country away from us. Don't certify the results. We'll pay for attorneys. We'll get you attorneys.
Mm-hmm. I mean,
is that enough?
I don't know if I want to say it's the smoking gun, but for a prosecutor to have someone's own words on tape, Trump can't say that he didn't say this. You know, we have him on tape saying this. So it's definitely very important evidence for this case. And just part of a larger picture. I mean, we have the Raffensperger call. We have pressure on Ruby Freeman and Shay Moss. And so it presents a larger picture of all the forces that were at play here.
Those in Georgia, this one in Michigan. Katrina, before I let you go, real quick, there's another Trump legal matter that is making headlines today, and that is about the upcoming defamation trial involving E. Jean Carroll. The Trump campaign, or the Trump team, rather, legal team, is trying to delay that. Why are they trying to do that?
Well, I mean, this is just a larger strategy for Trump. In general, he's trying to delay everything. But in this case specifically, they want a 90-day stay on the trial, which is currently supposed to start on January 16th. And they're saying it so they can explore other legal avenues. They may, they're saying, even appeal to the Supreme Court with a presidential immunity claim, which, you know, is already happening with Jack Smith's case.
I was going to say, that's already, the highest court is being asked a lot.
I mean, and they're also, it's very ironic because, you know, they don't want it to go to the Supreme Court as quickly, but in this filing, it's almost funny because he uses Jack Smith's own words to argue about the importance of the Supreme Court weighing in on this issue. So, you know, in the Supreme Court, he's saying they shouldn't move as quickly. And then in E. Jean Carroll, he's saying, let me use Jack Smith's argument to help my case.
All right, Katrina Kaufman, thank you. It's good to have you here on site with us.
Oh, thank you for having me.